Hello, and welcome to the Schneider Electric Data Center Science Series. Our team is dedicated to providing industry-leading insight to the latest data center science research on emerging trends and technologies, as well as best practices on how to plan, design, build, and operate data centers. And so, we are pleased to present our founder and Senior Vice President of Innovation, Neil Rasmussen, internationally renowned for his thought leadership in data center efficiency. Here's Neil talking to you about advantages of using a reference design.
A reference design for the physical infrastructure of a data center is a tested, validated, documented design package that allows the design to be reused across many different installations. When we talk about a reference design, some of the things that are included in that are detailed bills of materials, one-line diagrams, but beyond those standard CAD level type documentation packages, we also have more information like system level performance, which can be assured by the design instead of what we typically do, which is try and roll up the performance of the individual components to determine the design performance. And this is a huge advantage. Another very important property of reference designs is that although they are complete and could be built according to the actual reference design, they can also be adapted to meet different requirements, such as different requirements for capacity, different growth plans, or different floor plans within a facility. Customers can expect very important benefits from using reference designs as a basis for their projects. For one thing, the designs have already been tested and validated, so a lot of that process can be short-circuited, which dramatically pulls in the lead time of the project. And performance is guaranteed by the design, which is another big advantage. But beyond that, there's a lot of other benefits where the learning that might occur in that design has maybe occurred in other installations before yours, so you're benefiting from the experience that others have had in installing the same data center design. Customers can expect to find many potential reference designs available in the market from various manufacturers and providers. So one of the questions is, how should a customer choose the appropriate vendor for fulfilling a reference design? Besides the most obvious information we must make sure is present in a reference design, such that it is tested and validated and correctly documented, we also should consider whether or not the vendor is in a position to assure the quality and the service and the delivery of the systems included in the reference design. So one thing to look for is whether the vendor is a vendor who actually manufactures, makes, or writes code for the various systems that are considered as part of the reference design.
The criticality of IT and the explosion of big data have combined to put a lot of pressure on teams to complete new and retrofit projects faster than ever before without compromising availability. Data center reference designs are effective tools to make this happen. They facilitate and simplify the planning phase. They shorten the time needed to produce buildable, stamped, and approved designs. Further, data centers built on tested, validated, and documented reference designs reduce risk, make performance predictable, as well as improve their reliability once operational. White Paper 147, Data Center Projects: Advantages of Using Reference Designs, describes in detail how these benefits are achieved. Download this paper for free at whitepapers.apc.com.